Field surveyors play a crucial role in gathering accurate and detailed information about a specific area. In the case of Mehrauli, a historical neighborhood in Delhi, the presence of field surveyors becomes even more important. Mehrauli is known for its rich cultural heritage and ancient monuments, making it a prime location for architectural and urban planning projects. Therefore, having field surveyors in Mehrauli is essential to ensure that any development or design plans are aligned with the historical significance and aesthetic appeal of the area. Field surveyors in Mehrauli are responsible for conducting on-site surveys and collecting data about the existing structures, landscapes, and infrastructure. They meticulously document the architectural features, dimensions, and conditions of buildings, as well as the layout of streets, parks, and other public spaces. This information serves as a foundation for various design projects, including urban planning, restoration of historical buildings, or the creation of new structures that harmonize with the existing environment. The expertise of field surveyors in Mehrauli extends beyond just collecting data. They also possess a deep understanding of the historical context and cultural significance of the area. This knowledge allows them to provide invaluable insights and recommendations to architects and designers involved in projects in Mehrauli. For instance, if a new building is proposed near an ancient monument, field surveyors can advise on appropriate design elements that will respect the historical context while maintaining a modern aesthetic. One of the key tasks of field surveyors in Mehrauli is to ensure that any design plans adhere to the guidelines set by the SCON, South Delhi Municipal Corporation. SCON Design is responsible for regulating and approving architectural projects in South Delhi, including Mehrauli. Field surveyors work closely with SCON Design to ensure that all proposed designs comply with the necessary regulations and standards. Their expertise in collecting accurate data and providing valuable insights helps to streamline the approval process and avoid any potential conflicts between design plans and regulatory requirements. In conclusion, field surveyors in Mehrauli play a crucial role in collecting accurate data and providing insights for architectural and urban planning projects. Their expertise in conducting on-site surveys and understanding the historical context of the area ensures that any design plans align with the cultural significance and aesthetic appeal of Mehrauli. Collaborating with SCON Design, field surveyors help streamline the approval process by ensuring that all proposed designs meet the necessary